Good morning, respected my employers, respected HR fraternity. I am Dr. D. C. Ray. Today I am going to deliver in a few bullet points regarding organizations, holistic health. To me, organization is very lively, both in terms of the human resources working within the organization and the plant and machineries and other supportive things as well, because all are moving, all are delivering, all are producing directly or indirectly. Now, what is organization health? Organization health, to make it simple, let us give an example of our human body. Human body is a composition of lot of organs and micro things which makes us living, makes us move, makes us do, makes us achieve, so on and so forth. So organization equally as a whole, being the combination of people, need to have sound organizational health in holistic perspective. Now, organization health in some way can have been and have been studied by many organizations. There could be around 30 to 35 dimensions of organization health and around 150 to 160 variables of organization health. Every organization, irrespective of the size, nature, type, need to have an assessment of organizational health at least once in a year, followed by analyzing very categorically, identifying the gaps, preparing the action plan to fill the gaps and improve upon where gaps are not there even, and implement the action plan in its letter and spirit in combination both of the top management as also HR fraternity as also cross-functional fraternities. Another way of looking at is it can be added that there are a lot of surveys and studies could be done in form of organizational culture survey, climate survey, motivation survey, engagement survey, so on and so forth. Many type of surveys could be done, and those should be done at least once in a year in meticulous way, with a focused way, not to show the figures but to actualize it in the reality. HR fraternity, being the guardian of these activities, has to have very catalytic view, open view, unconservative view and dynamic view to get this done by external consultant. Why? Internally, if these are done, many times biasness works, many times fear psychosis works, many times unwillingness works, many times focus gets lost. So, hiring a professional for these studies, holistic study of the organization, including its dimensions and variables, then other surveys, as I said, culture, climate, motivation, engagement, so on and so forth. Get it done through a external consultant so that the gaps are well identified. People are open to share their views during the questionnaire survey or interaction survey, and find out the gaps honestly analyze the gaps to identify the root causes, and once the root causes are identified, then prepare the action plan time bound and implement those action plan in letter and spirit. Take the consultant as a support function for this purpose as well, because normally the HR fraternity or the top management does not have so much of time to invest on such activities, and this link requires huge time, huge analysis, huge home study, huge interaction, huge involvement, huge focused attention, and so on and so forth. So my respected employers, my respected HR fraternities, if my saying is going right to you, or you have a feeling part of what I am trying to convey in this video, please try to call me. I have given the description written in a brief in the description part of this video, including my mobile number and mail ID. In this pandemic scenario also, this can be done from online, offline, as also home-based tools to interact. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Looking forward, please.